disadvantage 2 observation affirmative observation then advantage 2 then finally advantage 1はい、レディー。さあ、ここディサドバンテージは2 on this point, their facilitation is while we have enough action or something. However, one budget, they just say enough, never compare. Therefore, 2, please extend our impact curve. Impact curve clearly compare. Then I will then. I will say, in the case that light speed are kept close, the number of max slide to be 151 cases. But if light speed is abundant, it is expected to 1,081 Therefore, clearly we compare the after transaction impact is rather because therefore our linkage is our linkage and linkage is linearly guaranteed. The only point the third force limitation is anyway we never prove the tendency and in future such lifespan will be collapse or something. Then okay I grant it. Then to some extent such demand is decreasing. Then I give up flat light speed. However, the uniquely terrestrial speed have many functions. Therefore, we focus on terrestrial speed. Then please extend our uniqueness second card. Second card clearly say fluid control is 4 times stronger capacity at Kurove Dam. Moreover, artificial dam itself but has a various multifunction, food production or prevention matters. Therefore, such terrestrial speed have many multiple functions and superior functions. Therefore, we can focus on only on terrestrial speed. Please remember this point. Moreover, the last limitation is even after plan Japanese people eat Japanese rice or something. However, one culture, they just say Japanese people eat Japanese rice. Never say Japanese people eat terrestrial speed rice. Therefore, to please extend our linkage card. Linkage card says uniquely in terrestrial speed, machine is not used. Therefore, the price is high. Therefore, after plan such terrestrial speed, the price is decreasing. So, on the other hand, terrestrial speed, the price is high. Therefore, compared to terrestrial speed, the price such completely different exist. Therefore, Japanese people choose such cheaper rice of Japanese rice. Therefore, completely our linkage made. Then our disadvantage stance is that we should top priority on protecting life quality because Japan is surrounded by mountain life. Then how we live with nature is most important because foundation of all industry or agriculture depend on nature. For example, if mudslide or flood is easily occur, factory or flat recipe also get damaged, same as Thailand flood incident. That means our industry development or agriculture supported by safety nature. Therefore, we should focus on such life quality. Please remember this point. Then go to affirmative observation. Then affirmative observation, the only point, their first limitation is partial or something. Because actually Japan cannot conclude FTA with Malaysia also. However, they completely granted our scenario is right. Then actually Korea can conclude with US without exception, without removing telephone lines. Moreover, actually in Korea, Korea can promote in concluding FTA without removing tariff. Therefore, on this point, they might say our economical argument completely feature not in case of something. However, such argument should not be taken because even keep rice tariff, we can conclude FTA. Please remember this point. Then, down below, please extend firstly, please extend our culture. On this point, they completely fail to prove solvency. Then, please extend our non-solvency and Turner argument. After plan, multifunction will be low. Therefore, after plan, on-balance economy will become bad. Then, on this point, their reputation is only bad. Our argument completely depends on disadvantages of something. However, our stance is disadvantage to some. Therefore, even if you think disadvantage to some, you should evaluate it. Therefore, after plan round constance is economical become bad. The under this situation, completely we can flip the advantage to. That means even under such cost, 3 trillion yen will be lost or something. However, our evidence conclude after treating FTA, the 4 trillion yen will be low. Therefore, simply after plan situation is bad. Please remember this point. At least please classify our negative our disadvantage comparison. Then all industry and company depend on Japanese nature. Therefore, anyway, round constance is after plan, the economy become bad. Then go to 82. Then 82, firstly, please extend our information argument, Abenomics argument. Then firstly, I read evidence. Our evidence say most attention policies break away from deflation spiral. Then this scenario is completely granted. Therefore, round constance is that now deflation spiral is continued. Under this situation, please extend, please check their limitation. Their limitation is deflation is good or something. Then the reason is consumption increase right. However, please extend under deflation spiral situation, consumption itself never increase. Therefore, such bad effect occur. Then this assumption completely different. Therefore, they fail to deny our argument. Please remember this point. Then go to advantage one. The advantage one, on this point they say, it is one of opinion or something. However, our business conclude the government opinion is the content of minimum access of WTO agreement on agriculture. And I cannot find the sentence of obligation of minimum access. That means in WTO textile, in WTO official book, such sentence is not exist. Then, assuming this official
Preparation time for